nothing to do in here. I feel so bored. I wanna call Ma'ruf.
Come on. You don't ask.
Hello. Assalamualaikum. Am I speak with Ma'ruf?
Waalaikumsalam. Yeah, it's me. This is Maro. Yeah. Why don't you recognize me?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm bored. I have nothing to do in my room.
Come on. Why don't you come at my home?
Okay, but what we are going to do at your home?
Don't you know that I'm playing the coolest game ever?
Seriously? Okay, wait me, I'm join with you.
Okay, I'm waiting. See ya.
Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum. Hello. Good morning. Package. I think there is no one in here. Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Travel Enterprise. Maruf speaks. Who am I speaking with?
I'm Jen, a package deliverer.
How can I help you, sir?
I would like to speak Mr. Saiful.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm afraid that Mr. Saiful is not at the moment. Would you leave a message?
Okay, just tell him that his package already arrived at his home.
Okay. Is anything else, sir?
That's all. Thanks.
You're welcome, sir. Have a nice day.